Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to Hayah's Hive. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious fish biryani. First, take a pan and add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee into it. Then add 5 to 6 sliced onions. Salt it well. Right now we're making the masala for the biryani. And then add salt. And saute it well until it turns to a golden brown color. So I'm covering it with a lid, and next I'm going to grind garlic and ginger. I'm taking about 8 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger, and after grinding it, add it to the pan. And as you can see, the onions are a light golden color. And saute it well. So I've put on the lid again. And while this cooks, we're going to take another pan and fry our fish. First, add the oil. And next we need the fish. For the masala for the fish, we need 2 tablespoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, and half teaspoon vinegar or juice of half lemon. And now we're going to fry the fish. Once one side is fried, flip it over to fry the other side. So next I am taking around 10 chilies, green chilies, and then I'm grinding it in a mixer and then add it to the masala. Mix it well. While we're making the masala, we're also frying the fish in another pan, so make sure to check up on the fish every few minutes. So now I've finished frying the first batch of fish, and now I'm frying the second batch. So next for the masala, you will need 3 tomatoes sliced into small pieces. Add it to the pan and mix it well. And our second batch of fish is done as well. And next, you can add the oil from the frying pan used to fry the fish to the masala. It makes it tastier. Next, add about 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. If you like this video, please press the like button, the red subscribe button, the notification bell next to it, and select all. Now back to the video. Next to the masala, add 3 tablespoons of biryani masala. Next, add around half teaspoon of turmeric powder. And squeeze the juice of half a lemon and add it to the masala as well. Now add around 2 tablespoons of curd and mix it well. Next, add a handful of coriander and mint and add a few curry leaves. Add it all to the pan and mix it well. Next, add salt to taste. Now our masala is done. Put a lid on the pan and let it sit for a while. Next, we're going to make the rice. So I'm using basmati rice. Next, take rice, wash it and soak it in water. For 1 cup of rice, you need 1 and 3/4 cup of water. So now I'm taking the pan and putting 1 tablespoon of ghee. And now we need some kismis, some cinnamon sticks and cloves, some cardamom, some cashew nuts, and some star anise. This is star anise. So add everything into the pan and saute it well. Next, boil enough water according to the amount of rice that you are taking and pour it into the pan. and add salt to taste. Next, add some sliced onions and chopped carrots. Squeeze the juice of half of a lemon and add it as well. Add salt to taste. Mix it well and add the washed and soaked rice to the pan. I took around 3 cups of rice, so I took 5 and 3/4 cups of water. Now put a lid on top and let it cook. Now cook it well. The rice should be cooked around 90% and not completely. It shouldn't be too soft. We're going to cook the rest of the percentage later. So now back to the masala. We're going to take just one fried fish and make it into small pieces and put it into the masala and mix it well. This gives it a good flavor. Next, we're taking the rest of the fish and just putting it in the pan like this. Next, take an aluminum foil and make a few holes like this and then lay it on top of the masala. What we're going to do is we're going to layer the rice, some coriander leaves and some ghee on top of it, and we're going to cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, take some cooked rice and put it on top. Next, take some coriander leaves and add around half teaspoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. Now we're going to add this on top of the rice and add some ghee as well. Mix it together and then add more rice. And then on top you can garnish it with fried onions, kismis and cashew nuts. Now again add the coriander leaves and the ghee. And on top add a little more rice and the rest of the coriander leaves. Now cover the top of the pan completely with aluminum foil. Put a lid on top. Then I also kept a weight on the lid so that it can stay closed. After cooking for 10 to 15 minutes, the rice should be soft. Then transfer the rice only to another bowl and keep the fish in the other. So this is how the biryani looks. This was a delicious recipe and I recommend everyone to try it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.